Hi everyone, this is Dr. Sunil Mashru. Welcome back to One Life Million Journey. अगर आपने अभी तक लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज कर दीजिए so that you can stay updated with my amazing travel content. Today's travel vlog is super special because it's all about our all-time favorite Goa. Goa, as we all know, is a beach paradise full of serene shores and hidden gems and lots of secluded beaches. I have been here more than 15 times and every visit feels brand new. You can reach Goa by train, by plane, and for road trippers, Goa is super accessible by car. Once you reach Goa, you can check in at your hotel and spend some leisure time. Then at late evening, you can go for cruise at Mandovi River along with the casinos. And then you can spend some time at Baga Beach. After that, at morning 6, we left our hotel and started our journey towards Dudhsagar Waterfall. रास्ते काफ़ी खूबसूरत थे। ऑलमोस्ट 2 घंटे के बाद हम दूधसागर वाटरफॉल का जो बेस है, टिकट बूथ है, वहाँ पे पहुँच गए, जो कोलम के नाम से जाना जाता है। मेरी पर्सनल एडवाइस है जितना हो सके उतना जल्दी पहुँच, सो दैट आपको टिकट की लाइन में ज़्यादा देर तक खड़ा ना रहना पड़े। और most important, you have to book your ticket online. Then only you will get the physical copy from this booth station. Once you get the ticket, your journey towards Dudhsagar Waterfall will start. टिकट स्टेशन से वाटरफॉल बेस तक पहुंचने में आपको शायद 40-45 मिनट्स का टाइम लगेगा, बट ये जर्नी जो है वो काफ़ी खूबसूरत रहेगी। डेंस फॉरेस्ट में से आपकी जीप जो है वो पास होगी, रिवर्स होगी, आपको शायद एनिमल्स भी देखने को मिल सकते हैं, डिपेंड्स ऑन योर लक, बट ये जर्नी जो है वो काफ़ी खूबसूरत रहेगी। सो एंजॉय दिस जर्नी। Once you reach the base of the waterfall, there's a canteen. But I suggest skip eating and head straight to the waterfall. And now the moment you have been waiting for, the view of Dudhsagar waterfall. Or maybe not. Here's the harsh truth. During summer, especially in April and May, there's hardly any water. The falls can be almost dry. You will see an empty riverbed, dry cascades, and lots of disappointed tourists. Plus, you will deal with long queues for tickets, extreme heat, overcrowding, and no guarantee of seeing water. I have visited Dudhsagar over 7 times and I have seen it roaring, flowing, and sadly also almost dry. दिस इज द पाथवे जहाँ से आपको चल के दूधसागर वाटरफॉल तक जाना है। चलने में अप्रोक्स 20 मिनट्स का टाइम लगेगा और रिटर्न आने में भी 20 मिनट्स का टाइम लगेगा। टोटल आपको जो है वो 1.5 घंटे मिलेंगे, जिसमें से 40 मिनट्स का आपका टू एंड फ्रॉम का टाइम रहेगा एंड रिमेनिंग 40-45 मिनट्स जो है वो आप वाटरफॉल में स्पेंड कर सकते हैं। सो आप अपना प्लानिंग उस हिसाब से कीजिए। आप देख सकते हो कि वाटर लेवल जो है वो ऑलमोस्ट नील है या तो निग्लिजिबल आप बोल सकते हो, एंड जो डेंस फॉरेस्ट एक टाइम पे हुआ करता था वो भी आज यहाँ पे नहीं है। तो समर में जाने का कोई मतलब ही नहीं है। यू आर जस्ट वेस्टिंग योर मनी, टाइम एंड एनर्जी। एंड वंस यू रीच एट वाटरफॉल आपको कई सारे टूरिस्ट जो है वो दिखाई देंगे।
sea for a getaway. Car top down and we're driving just to feel young. Moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see? We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No, come on baby, let me tell you one time that our fire that I love it.
If you really want to see Dudhsagar in all its glory, come during the monsoon or post-monsoon. The best time is September and October. That's when the water is at peak and the river is full. You might even need drops to cross streams and the forest looks like a fairy tale. Try watching the waterfall from above via the railway tracks when the train passes and the mist touches the train. It's a view you will never ever forget in your life.
There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one.
So guys, that's why I said don't visit Dudhsagar Waterfall without watching this video. It can be magical or a total disappointment depending on the season. If this video helped you, like, comment, subscribe and share it with your friends and family. My next video will be on hidden gems of Goa. Can you tell me where is this place? Please comment करके बताइए. Stay tuned for more episodes from my Goa series coming up next.